In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Google PageSpeed using Cloudflare. If you want to make your website load faster and potentially improve your PageSpeed score, Cloudflare gives you a few built-in tools that are quick to enable and easy to manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find those settings and which options to turn on. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of the websites connected to your account. Once you're there, click on Domains. This section lists the sites you have available in Cloudflare, and it's the starting point for making performance-related changes. After that, click on Overview. This takes you into the general management area for your domains. From here, select the domain name you want to optimize. Make sure you choose the correct site, especially if you manage more than one, because the settings you change will apply only to that specific domain. Once you're inside the selected domain, click on Speed. This is the section where Cloudflare groups together performance and loading related features. Then click on Settings to access the available optimization controls. Next, click on Content Optimization. This area contains tools designed to help your site deliver content more efficiently to visitors. These features can improve how quickly key resources are loaded, which can have a positive effect on user experience as well as page speed measurements. Now, turn on SpeedBrain, Cloudflare Fonts, Early Hints, and Rocket Loader. These are the main settings covered in this process. Enabling them allows Cloudflare to optimize the way certain assets and resources are delivered. SpeedBrain helps improve loading behavior by making delivery smarter and more efficient. Cloudflare Fonts can help optimize font handling, which is important because fonts often affect how quickly a page appears usable. Early Hints helps the browser begin loading important resources sooner, reducing delays. Rocket Loader is designed to improve the loading of JavaScript, which can be especially useful on pages with a lot of scripts. After enabling these options, give the changes some time to take effect. Then test your site again using Google PageSpeed Insights or your preferred performance tool. It's also a good idea to quickly browse your website afterward to make sure everything still looks and behaves as expected, since some optimization features can affect script-heavy pages differently. And that's it. By going into Cloudflare, selecting your domain, opening the speed settings, and enabling these content optimization features, you can take a simple but effective step toward improving your website's performance.